The WildDrone project is an interdisciplinary, curiosity-driven research network. We work across 3 different scientific areas: conservation ecology, drone operations, and machine learning/computer vision. And we work with the aim of showing how drones can be useful for nature conservation across Europe and Africa, across both continents. And we work specifically with the Wadden Sea area because we use that as an example of the kind of area we'd like to work with in Europe.
The Wadden Sea is a very unique place. It's the largest national park in Denmark and has a very interesting combination of life both on land but especially in water, and collects many species of animals that rely on the water for finding food, such as birds and marine mammals. But it's a very extremely difficult area to survey, so knowing how these animals are doing in this park is extremely difficult, and that's one of the aims of WildDrone, to develop techniques so we better can survey areas such as the Wadden Sea. Europe as a whole is under great threat, as we can hear in the news all the time. We have a climate crisis and we also have a biodiversity crisis. We have many animals drawn to the brink of extinction, and therefore there is a lot of political incentives to do something about this.
When it comes to the Wadden Sea area, and the Wadden Sea is Denmark, Germany and Holland, there are a lot of different challenges and a lot of different issues we look into. One challenge is, of course, that humans have an enormous impact on the area. The Wadden Sea area is visited by millions of people every year. And we have, because the area is so vast and so big, you would say, well, there's enough room for everyone there. But the problem is that some places a lot of humans gather together, and that is a challenge for the environment.
Usually when we survey animals as biologists, we simply send some biologists out on boats or out in the forest or in an airplane, and they look down or they look to the sides and try to count how many animals are there, how are these animals doing. That's the normal way to survey. And I think everyone can understand that that's a very expensive way to survey.
When we look into the future, into our crystal ball, then we have, with drone technology, an option to monitor a larger area. We have the option to, in a cheaper way, to monitor much more than we're able to monitor today. We'll be able to get more information. And with this more information, we will be able to make better choices for our nature and for the Wadden Sea in general.